So many plants and animals have evolved to specifically thrive in their specific area, their specific climate. And so if that changes faster than they can adapt, then they're either going to have to move or die. Dallas could not exist here without the Trinity River.
Here we are.
It's so important to have a space like the Audubon Center here. So important to have the Great Trinity Forest protected, because those plants, they serve as sort of the first line of defense when it comes to flooding. I think an increased understanding of the importance of these flood zones having green space in them is starting to become more and more apparent as we're seeing more disasters, more flooding, and more storms. And so I think working together with the governments, with the communities, to make sure that homes are protected, green space is protected, which will benefit both the birds, the wildlife, and the people, to make sure that we're not seeing the catastrophic damage that has been occurring in these recent decades.
See a little turtle down there.
Heat can have immediate impacts when it comes to the water here. If the water temperature is going up too high, that can affect the dissolved oxygen in the water, which can lead to the fish dying off, and this can happen really rapidly in just a quick day or two heat wave even. And with those fish dying off, that's the food source for so many birds, for so many other critters, and that ripples out throughout the ecosystem. Because we know we can't save the birds if we're not focusing on stopping the climate crisis. We are working on deploying renewable energy and en masse, and we're also working on natural climate solutions, plants to help sequester that carbon and build climate resilience in communities. And so I think these are both things that we need to be pursuing at every level, private and public. I'm really proud anytime that I'm able to go with a group of kids, look at the river from the center, and let them realize that and have it sink in that they are connected to the river and the river is connected to them, and we're not separate things and we depend on each other.